In this quick overview, we're going to show you how to get started adding your content from a game you've made or any session within the BravoZone and adding it to the library so you can use it in other sessions. The quickest way to do that, I have a few questions here. I'm going to go ahead and select all of them, and I'm literally going to go ahead over here to the library, add a new folder. I'm going to call this Submit. And I'm going to go ahead and just drag these over to here. Now the opposite holds true. I can select all of these and bring it into a new session. You have many different options within the library. You can go up here and go to Options, Add New Library, Delete the library, rename them, and Share Library. If you have others within your organization, instructors and other admins, etc., you can go ahead and share that library with them as well. As always, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to contact us at support@c3softworks.com.